Okay, now let's look at question number 4. 40% of the pens in the box are blue and the rest are red. When you see the word the rest, it has to be a part-whole model. Remember, if you see the word rest and remainder is a part-whole model. So 40% of the pens in the box are blue. And the rest are red. So this is 40% blue. And that would mean 60% would be red. Because if it's part-whole model, the total must be 100%. There are 24 more red pens than blue pens. How many pens are there altogether? So, this is blue. And this is red. So, there are 24 more red pens. So, 60% minus 40% equivalent to 20%. And 20% are 24. What's the question? They're asking for how many pens are there altogether. And altogether there are 100%. So find 1% first. Then you can find 100%. Alright? Alright, next question. Question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Mr. Goh had 500 yellow beads and 900 green beads. So you have yellow and you have green. Green has to be more because it has 900. Right? Now, she bought more yellow beads and the number of yellow beads increased by 25%. So remember, the yellow beads increased by 25%. So that means original yellow beads is how much? 100%. Remember, when you see the word increase, it has to be more than 100%. So it increased by 25%. Okay. Next one. And remember, she had 500 at first, right? So no. She gave some beads to a friend and had the number of beads decreased by 10%. So that means this one is 100%, right? Green beads had 100% at first. It decreased by 10%. So become lesser by 10%. And how much was it at first? It had 100%. Become lesser, right? Because of the word decrease. And remember again, look back in the question. It says he had 900 at first. So 900 at first. So 900 at first, it decreased by 10%. Okay. What was the total number of beads Mr. Goh had in the end? Okay. So in the end, is first thing you need to find out how much did the yellow have. Yellow beads. How many yellow beads are there at first? Now I know 500. Now you have to separate the two model. Don't get yourself confused. Separate the two model. You do the yellow one first. Okay. You do the yellow one first. In this case, yellow one is 100% equals to 500. I want to find the total yellow. So this is for yellow. Okay. 100% is equivalent to 500. I want to find the whole thing for yellow. So I want to find 1%. And then I need to find the total, which is 125%. So some of you, I think the level 2B or 2A, you can do straight away go to 125% here. Right? If you know how to do. Cancel. 125 times 50. It will give me. So 125 times 5 will give me 625. So therefore, just now remember, yellow, I already found the total is 625. Okay, sorry. Yellow in the end would be 625. Green will be how much? Green is 900 100% is equals to 900. And I want to find after the discount. So after discount be 100 minus 10, which is equivalent to 90%. Not the discount, after it decrease. Okay, so therefore we want to find 90%. 90% is equivalent to 900 over 100 times by 90. Cancel, cancel. Answer is $810. And just now I know yellow is 625, green is 810. Just add them. Sorry, there's no dollars. Just add them up. So 810 plus 625 will give me 1435. Okay. Now that's for part A. What was the overall increase or decrease in the percentage of the total number of bits? So first thing you need to know is what's the total number of bits before and what's the total number of bits after. Okay, sorry, let's go back to part B. Part B, what was the overall increase or decrease in percentage of the total number of bits? So remember, what was the increase or decrease in percentage? So you're asking for percentage increase or decrease, right? And remember the formula is equals to difference over original amount times by 100. Now if you look back at the question says overall increase in percentage of the total. So of total, okay, percentage increase or decrease of total number of bits. So that means you want to know the total of number of bits before and after. Now we already know after, right? It is 1435. Okay. Now we need to know what is the before. Remember before anything happened, Mr. Goh had 500 yellow and 900 green. So before, to find the total number before would be 500 plus 900, which is equivalent to 1400. Now from here, this is before and this is after. So it is an increase. Alright, increase by how much? Remember you have to find a difference. So difference would be 1435 minus 1400 equivalent to 35. Remember, when you want to find original amount is always talking about before. Right? So 35 over how much was it before? 1400 multiply by 100, because you want down here have to multiply by 100. Okay, answer would be 2.5%. Okay, now let's move on. Let's look at question number 6. The usual amount of pair of shoes was $112. Mr. Tay paid $98 for an identical pair of shoes during a sale. What was the amount of discount Mr. Tay received? Discount. So remember, discount means less than 100%. Therefore, you have the normal price, usual price, and you have after the discount. So the one which is on sale. Right? So the usual price is always 100%. Why? Because the one on sale has to be lesser because of the word discount. Right? So $812. And you want to find, and the discounted price is 98. Okay. Right? So first thing I need to find what is the extra box. What's inside the extra box here, right? 112 minus 98 should give you 14. So 14 should be here. So here to here is $14. Right? What was the amount of discount Mr. Tay received? So 40 out of 112 times by 100, because you want to find the amount of discount Mr. Tay received. Okay, so you want to find how many out of here. And that would be the answer would be 12.5%. Okay, moving on. Question number 7. Sorry. Yep. Question number 7. Okay, so question number 7. At least she spent 20% of her money on a blouse. So that means I have 100% here. Remember, anything after the word of, this one become 100%. After the word of, it becomes 100%. So 20% will be on blouse. Right, this is 20%. Right, and which is $35. And this one would be 100%. Right, next sentence. 30% of the remaining money. So this one becomes, okay, so 35%, this would be $35, right? Okay, now she spent 30% of the remaining money. So this one would be 30% and this one will be 100%. Remember, after the word of will be 100%. So that means this one have to make it to 100% again. For me to find this one, I need to find what is the leftover. So this one will be 100 minus 20 equals to 80%. So first thing I need to find